Welcome, beautiful souls, to Empower Soul Path, the space where we awaken to our highest potential, embrace our inner wisdom, and step fully into our divine power. I'm Selda, your guide on this journey of self-discovery and transformation. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most powerful, yet often overlooked, spiritual practices, self-love. Because when we truly love ourselves, we open the doors to infinite possibilities. What is self-love? Self-love is more than just a buzzword or a self-care routine. It's a way of being. It's how you speak to yourself, how you show up for yourself, and how you allow love into your life. It's the foundation of your confidence, your relationships, and your spiritual growth. Ask yourself, how do I speak to myself daily? Do I treat myself with the same kindness I offer others? Am I honoring my needs and boundaries? Self-doubt is often the biggest roadblock to self-love. It's that voice that whispers, "You're not enough, you're too much, or you have to be perfect to be loved." But the truth is, you are already worthy, exactly as you are. Repeat after me. I am enough just as I am. I deserve love, success, and joy. I am worthy of my own kindness and care. Here are a few powerful ways to integrate self-love into your spiritual journey. As a mirror work, look into your eyes daily and say, "I love you. I accept you," as a spinal flow meditation. Breathe into your spine and visualize love flowing through you. As a journaling, write down 5 things you love about yourself each day: boundaries and energy protection. Say no to what drains you and yes to what uplifts you. Self-love isn't something we achieve once. It's a daily practice, a commitment to yourself. So take time today to love yourself a little deeper. You are worthy. You are divine. You are loved. If you enjoyed this episode, share it with someone who needs a little extra love today. And if you're ready to go deeper, check out my guided self-love meditations on EmpowerSoulPath.com. Until next time, keep shining your light.